So hello everyone. Now we are going to start our doubt clearing session. So I can see two people has raised their hand. So whoever is having any kind of doubt, so please raise your hand. So one by one we are going to unmute people. Okay. Have I unmuted you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Jagdish. Go ahead.
Sir, I just want to share my screen. I'm having a query on Cassandra installation.
Okay, so you are trying the local installation.
No, sir, I'm facing issue on both local and
Okay, fine. So Jagdish, I have promoted you to the panelist. Now you can share your screen. So whoever having similar kind of doubts, so they can just see this particular thing.
can you see my screen now, sir?
Yes, yes, I can see your screen.
Sir, through the comments, I have installed the Cassandra.
Okay. So
Now,
just
then I tried to.
which one you are trying? So this one is, I think, the local one, right?
Yeah, this is local one, sir.
Okay.
First, I will go with local one. Then I try to install CQLSH. That time I'm getting error as import error E.
Okay. So just
Then,
have you got the document, the
yes, sir.
installation
And
document?
yeah,
Yeah,
and
try to open
Sudhanshu
that.
sir also guided that if you get this error, you should go with Python 2.7 version, which means
Yeah,
less than equal to 2 version. I tried this command. It
just
is
write
showing.
equal to, not just equal to.
No. So Jagdish, you are typing a wrong command. So, okay. So Conda,
Okay, okay. Just you need to first create the
yeah. First
environment. Yeah.
create the environment.
So you have not created only, or you are activating.
Uh,
It's conda create, I guess. So you have the document just open with you.
Sir, I just want to download this from.
Okay, wait for a second.
yeah. Hello. Yeah, Jagdish, just open your command prompt first of all. Yeah. So yeah. So type the command Conda create hyphen name hyphen name. Yeah. Just give the environment name Python 2 or whatever like you want to give.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now like mention the Python version. Okay, Python equal to 2.7. Yeah. Don't give the space.
Don't give the
You
space. Don't give space.
I think I have given.
No, you have to give the. This thing.
actually it is not created. I think it is giving error. So just like yeah. So try to like create again. Just with single equal to. Okay. Once formula create. Yeah. Just up and press the up arrow key. Okay. So you will get the command. Yeah. Once again. Yes. Okay. Single equal to. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, meanwhile, shall I show the cloud version?
Yeah. So
Yes, yes, you can
you are
share.
yes.
Not a problem. You can share. Yeah. Sunny, now you are a host, so you can share your. Yeah, it's fine. So, what kind of problem you are getting? So, you're not able to get the version. So, you
Sir, here the version I'm getting.
okay?
I try to execute this query. Here I'm getting error as unauthorized message missing correct permission on Java.
Just go
I have
ahead.
given the permission as admin user.
Okay. So, can you just show me your like code? Not yeah, code only.
Yeah, you,
So, fine. Yeah. Wait here. So, authorized permission is connected. Create key space Java with replication. So have you created already this Java key space?
no sir.
It's right, this there, right?
But the characters are it is capital J, it is small j. Even if I try with other name as well, it is showing error.
What kind of error you are getting? Okay,
Yeah,
it's good.
loading, sir.
Okay, fine. Create case.
Same error. Unauthorized, missing correct permission on student.
Okay, wait.
Yeah, so Jagdish, I think like there is some issue with connectivity. So I think in a class itself, like sir has shown to you, okay. So while like you are connecting your like this Cassandra with cloud, okay. So some like basically in a connectivity, basically, yeah. So you are getting the issue. So just try to execute like some other command, okay. So
Yeah,
yeah,
try to
So
insert something. Yeah, try to
try
insert.
I
to
tried with many comments, but I didn't get.
So
Let
admin user, yeah, generate token. So I think you have already generated, right? So this like
Yeah,
client
for
ID and
admin user,
client
I
secret.
already generated.
Mm-hmm. So
Again, new one has created for admin user.
yeah, so try to check with this one basically. So for like same key space you are generating this one.
No, sir. Different key space.
Okay, so try to check once.
just try to connect with your one of your like uh, key space. You have already created several key spaces, right? One was the iNeuron, and
Yeah.
just try to connect with that. So Sahu is telling something. You can't create key space. You can only create table in your online. You can't create key space. Same thing happened in the class. So even we use SQL command from in cloud also. Okay, fine. So we'll try to connect with the whatever the key space is created. We try to connect with that. So just try to copy this iNeuron name. So capital I it's there. Fine. So yeah, copy this one. Go here. Yeah, fine. Now session cluster connect. Fine. So try to provide this name inside this connect as a string. Yeah, fine. So now yeah, try to run it. So create again, it's execution. You have written create space. Try to insert something.
So before that, a table need to be created.
Yes, table link. I'm giving you one command, simple command. Just so wait. So just copy this one. In chat, I have sent that command.
Yes, sir. So there are many person who raise the hand. So basically, you can add inside panelist. So,
So Sunny, now you are a host, so you can add.
okay.
Shall I execute, sir?
So yeah, remove this one before print statement. So, so, so what is one? Just try to remove this one. 1.1.
Sir, it's a command.
So, so what I have given you, just try to close these braces. Yeah. Semicolon.
Yeah.
Not here. Before that double quote. Yeah. Now execute.
Yes,
Session.
Suresh. So what is your doubt? So
Yeah, hi, thank you.
mhm.
I need a bit of explanation in understanding
Invalid
the query
syntax.
that Sudarshan sir explained in one of his classes. It is regarding the SQL in Python.
Mhm.
I'll
Hmm.
ping the query in the chat window. Could you just explain as to what is happening in the chat? What is happening in that query?
Okay, so you already like write your query in the chat, right? So
No, no, not yet. I just put it.
okay.
That's the code I need a bit of explanation for. So there are a few things that
You
I
need
did
to
not understand in that code.
see. You need to add one more braces here at last.
Okay. So like
At
here,
last. At last. After double quote. After double quote, I'm saying. Yeah. Now execute. It's the same kind of error. No, it's
Loading.
executing. Okay, fine.
yeah, Suresh. So basically, so you are trying to read the data, like blast data, right?
Yeah.
And yeah, so you are first of all like in the first line, basically
Mm.
you are like just reading your the data. Okay, so with open glass.data with this command, okay, then you are iterating over your data, okay, and you are just trying to read your data. Okay, so it is like giving you a object, the single object basically. So
Mm-hmm.
in that object, basically you have just put the for loop. Okay, so we can iterate over the object basically with the help of for loop. Okay, so you are using a enumerated object. So basically what like enumerate like basically return, so is return basically is indexing. Okay, so along with the row basically, suppose we have a 10 rows. Okay, so it returns the indexing 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this. Okay, so in that basically we are just like picking up basically a second line. Okay, so just the
Mm.
second line basically. Okay, so not like indexing part, we are just picking up the row part. Okay, and we
Yeah.
are just inserting the data inside a database. Okay, so like you are getting any error or something basically inside a code, or you
No,
want to.
I was able to execute this code spick and span. But my question, my understanding is like, why did we have to use that delimiter,
Like this,
and
just
why
try
did
to
we
copy paste
have
as it
to
is.
convert it to a CSV reader?
Try
I
to
mean
copy and
CSV
paste as it
format,
is.
and why did we use the enumerate function? Because in one of
No
the
change.
examples again, Sudhanshu sir was able able to execute this code without the enumerate function as well?
Yeah, so without animate function you can also put inside a like database. Okay, so we are just iterating basically over the data. Okay, so basically we can do same thing with the help
Yeah,
of read csv itself.
remove this print statement.
Yeah, so we can do same thing with the help of read csv itself. Okay, and we can put the data inside a database, but with the help of like this csv. Okay, so import csv function does provide this functionality as well, like reading, writing, or like all those functionality related to a csv file. Okay, so we are performing the same thing with the help of csv. Okay, so you can put the like a print statement between the like statement. Okay, so like suppose like you are not getting basically what it is reading. Okay, so you can just put the print statement, then you will get the answer like in a very specific manner. Okay, so between the code basically just try to put the print statement, then you will get the answer basically. Okay.
Now the error got fixed, sir. I will try to insert some values. Then if I
Yeah,
get any, I will connect you, sir. Okay.
now it's fixed, right? You are getting the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sorry, so like did you get the
To have
answer?
a new line,
Hello?
the purpose of the delimiter here
Mm-hmm.
is that only to have a new line.
Yeah, so basically we are splitting the line based on a delimiter. Okay, so suppose like in a basically a csv file. Okay, so we have a like a different kind of a delimiter, like slash t slash
Yeah.
n.
Yeah.
Okay, slash r basically. Okay, so slash t basically what it does, so it like separate the line based on a tab space, right? Slash
Mm-hmm.
n basically we like we can get the like basically line, okay, row based on a like a slash n, means like separating the line basically means like we are migrating to line like from like a previous line to new line. Okay, so slash n basically does this thing. So we are like using
Oh,
delimiter as a slash n basically, so we are getting the line after the space, means next row. We are just getting the next row. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And here, when we try to insert the data into the table, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it is inserting I of one. That is what is in I of one. The object I of one is what is being inserted, right?
I of
So
one.
this,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
yeah. So that is in the form of a list, right? That's
Mm-hmm.
in the form of a list,
Mm-hmm.
right? So while it is being inserted into the table, like, will there be any conversion in the background? Because now we are inserting in the form of a list. So how will there be a conversion in the background is my question. Will there be any conversion? Like, will Python abstract anything and automatically uh, convert it
Yes.
the
So
way the
we have
SQL
written the
accepts?
code basically. You can see. Okay. So how we like insert the data inside a database? Okay. So we cannot insert the data in the list form, right? So we have we want the data we want the data basically without the list. Okay. So we are just like formatting the data. Like you can see there is a like function basically dot format function data, and like we are using the parentheses as well over there. Okay, so whenever like you will print this part, okay, so you will get the data without the list, then you can check with the help of print statement. Okay, so
Okay.
this is a convention with regarding to the insert statement. Like basically we are inserting the data inside a like mysql with the help of python.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
ले लो भैया ले जाओ तुम क्या लेके जाना है ले लो जल्दी
Yeah, so
hello?
Yes, one by one, please.
Yeah.
yeah.
That would be it from my end. Thank you, guys.
Okay.
Yeah, so Shivans, what is your doubt?
Yeah. Sir, in my SQL and in MongoDB, when we want to use any database, then we used to write its name. Then only we proceed further. Na? But in case of Cassandra, what I have seen that we are using the name of a key space. Uh,
Mhm.
okay. So, sir, in I just want to know that in which line of the code it is showing that we are using this database. uh, so I hope you got my point.
Yeah,
Means
I got your point basically.
yeah.
So you are like asking basically. So I think like you are clear with the hierarchy basically. So how we create a database like with the respect with the help with the like different database. Okay. So in a MongoDB basically, first of all like we create a database.
Hmm.
Okay, database. Then we create a collection. And inside the collection, we put the
We have
data,
put
right? So in the
documents.
form
Yeah.
in the JSON format, right? So
Yeah.
what happened in the Cassandra basically? So in the Cassandra basically, first of all like we create a database. Okay, so inside we create a key space, then we like put the data inside that key space.
Hmm,
Okay,
yeah.
so like
Exactly.
this is the hierarchy with respect to the database. Okay, so
Okay.
where are like you are getting the like doubt in this
So
part
my
basically?
doubt, sir, that thing is clear to me. I just want to know that when we used to connect our system to the cloud,
Hmm?
then which is which is the line which is showing that we have connected this we have connected to this database, meaning that means means
Okay, you
can
want to
two.
know like how you are connected or not, right?
No, 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 not connected. Actually, sir, uh, first of all, sir, tell me that whether two database can have a same key space name, means same name.
So
uh,
there can be, see, there can be different database, right? You can create n number of database. So it is possible that the same name you can provide in other database. Like key space name, you can provide same to some other data. Suppose you have created key space
Mhm.
name as a test1 in
Mhm.
DS1. So suppose DS1 is your one data set, database name, and
Mhm.
DS2 is your another database name. Fine. So
Okay,
it is possible you have given name test1 in DS1 and the same name test1 in DS2. Fine, there is
then
no
sir,
problem.
okay, then if we want to create a table inside a key space, then
Okay.
we use a command you tesi, then we write the key space name. Okay, sir. Sir, how we will able to get to know that we are working at under which database?
Okay, fine. See, the
That is my
thing
question,
is,
sir.
okay, fine. The thing is, see, when you are going to download a bundle, so it's going to give you a name of your database. If you have
Okay.
downloaded something, okay,
Yeah.
bundle, so you're going to see the same name at last. Before zip, the
Yeah,
name will
yeah,
be
yeah.
there of database.
I have seen that TST
Yeah,
tag. Okay, okay,
correct.
okay. Now I got it. Okay.
Okay.
So we can have a same key space in
Yeah,
different
same name. Yeah,
database.
same
So
name I'm
every
telling
time
you.
we have to download that bundle, right?
Bundle, not every time. So once you have downloaded for one database, suppose you have
Yeah,
created,
yeah, yeah. So obviously for one database, na? If
correct, yeah.
if
If you
I
have
am working.
created another database and you want to access it, then you need to download it again.
Okay, okay. And sir, my second question is, sir, what is the difference between an object and a instance? Actually, I know that both are lagbhag similar, but I have studied from many places that there is a difference, technical difference, but I was not able to get it. थिवेन सर मैंने हिंदी में भी पढ़ा बट समझ में नहीं आया वो मुझे सो इफ यू प्लीज टेल मी इफ देर इज एनी डिफरेंस बिटवीन एन ऑब्जेक्ट और एंड इंस्टेंस or not, because in the interview they might ask this na, so please tell me.
Yeah, so basically Shivan's object and instance I think both are same. Okay,
Both are
Yeah,
similar,
yeah.
but yeah,
okay,
instance is you can say kind of virtual copy, but not the real copy one. So object you can consider as a real part, okay, and instance you can say you have created virtually.
okay.
In
So
order to
sir,
use for the some time, you can use this as an instance
okay,
of
sir,
your object.
any practical example means, so for example I have a phone, okay sir. So sir, uh, if I use a smartphone, then smartphone is a class, है ना? And that the iPhone is a type of a object. So sir, in so can we say that this the iPhone is a instance also?
See, you can think like this. Okay, instance is a name used to call the object of any class. Okay, so it's a name used to call the object of any class.
Instance is a name. Sorry, sir.
Used to instance is the name used to call the object of. For example, you have objects, right? So we have a class. We have different objects to call. So we have to give the name for the different objects, right? So we'll be using instance. Okay, so instance is a name used to call the object.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. It is that much simple means na. Okay, then it is okay.
Okay.
Chalo. Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, Manu.
Yeah, sir. Actually, I have a problem with the Postman. So one code is running, but another is not running. I have changed the route also.
Okay, Manu, you are in panelist. Okay, now you can share your screen, I think.
Okay.
Meanwhile, other can ask the question. If it's possible by verbally, we'll solve it. Panel.
So, sir, here is my screen, and
Okay,
this is the code. So the above one is written
so
by,
so see here, you are inserting in body,
yeah.
correct? As a raw data.
Okay.
So where is the code? Main code I'm asking.
Main code means I'm not getting. See.
Just show your code basically. So in the PyCharm, or like basically in the
Yeah, this is. Are you able to see it or not? I have shared PyCharm screen.
No.
No. We
You're
are
not.
only able to see your postman. That's it.
Oh, okay. Let me share it one second.
So yeah, Soumya Ranjan. So do you have any doubt?
So actually, I have joined the course 10 days back. So means I have completed the functions module. So in that, after that module, sir has given some tasks to do for the students. So the students who have completed those tasks, they have used multiple different things which are not taught till yet. So I am not able to understand
Okay,
those codes.
so okay, fine. So have you gone through the complete lecture?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what kind of task we have given you? Whatever the kind of tasks we are giving you.
So
So
sir
have
has
you
given.
have you tried from yourself?
Yes, I am not able to do that.
So what is the problem you are not able to do?
Actually, the program means the assignment was to download all the assignments, and you have to automate in such a manner that all assignments will be merged into a single file.
Okay.
So the
So can you
students who.
see my screen? So,
Yes,
hello?
yes, we
Okay.
can see.
Yeah. So, sir, this is the code, and the above one, which is via Postman, the route is via Postman. So this was written by Sudhanshu sir, and
Fine.
then I made my I added one more route. So its name is via Manu, and
Okay.
when I am calling.
So wait. So why you are again creating one route here? App.route.
I don't know. We were practicing, and Sudhanshu sir also made something like this. He made it, and
So
it
can you
was,
show me the code? What Sudhanshu sir has read?
yes. This is the above code, and very similar to this one is this route. This one, very similar to this. So it and it was
So
working.
route, see here, the route is something like a API. So here you have created two APIs. So are you using this two API or just one API?
No, both APIs.
Both APIs. So what it is working? This one, add a string.
Yeah, add string is not working. However, math operation via Postman is working. So this one is working.
Okay, this one
And
is working.
yeah, but when Sudhanshu sir was teaching in the class,
See here, see, understand this code first of all. Now
yes.
here, wait. Fine. So here you are using a post method. So I have seen in your postman, so you have provided the post method. So using this post method, you are able to get the data via which API? So via like you are going to generate some kind of local address, and this is going to follow by via underscore postman.
Yes.
Is it clear to you?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, fine. So now what kind of request you are going to get? So as you can see here, the first of all operation, JSON operation,
Yes.
fine.
Yes.
This operation one input, and what is the your second input here is number one, number two. So
Yes.
this request you are converting to a integer, and you are saving it to a variable name one, name two.
Yes.
Fine.
Yes.
So
Yes.
these are the things you are getting.
Yes.
Now go in this second route. Go inside the second route. Fine. Wait, here. So now we have created via money. So
Yes.
add string. Now just try to match with this above code. Go above. Fine. So request you have put it request dot method.
Yes.
If
Request
request
dot.
dot method equal to post
Yes.
request name email.
Name is request dot JSON name, and then email, and then Aadhaar. So
Okay.
yeah. So I am just I am not putting any number when I'm
Okay.
through
Yeah. Correct.
Postman.
Yeah.
So,
Concatenation will not happen with
yeah. So I
integer.
am because I have not used integer. So I am just placing strings X, Y, Z and names. So still it is not working. In fact, it is not capturing the root. It is giving 404 error, which means that the path is not. I mean, it is not connected. However, when I'm calling this one, it is working very fine.
Just check with your console, basically,
I
first of all.
think here it's need to write some course,
Yeah, it's
something like course path.
just send the request from the Postman API and check with your console, okay, what error it is giving.
Uh,
Yeah.
so
Just try to hit once more from Postman.
okay, can you see my Postman right now?
No. I think you have just said your single screen. That's why.
Okay, let me share.
Actually, my doubt is that sir has taught only OS and shuttle function until then. The assignment sir has given, the students have used some different try, except something different functions which I am not aware of. So
So
I
try
should
except
learn
is
those.
taught in class or not?
No, means until how much I have learned, try except is not start still yet.
Yeah, to try to cover more some more lecture, right? So it's already there.
Yes, I know, but I just need to ask that I should learn something apart from the lectures or the lectures.
No. It's lecture is more than enough. If you have learned like you have completed all the lecture, then definitely you are going to solve all of the questions.
So then sir is giving some advanced problems, not related to lectures, right?
No, it's not like that.
Actually, the students have used different
Yeah,
thinker, some.
they can use some different method. They can use, yeah, but it's not like we are giving you some kind of advanced problem. So all the problem whatever we are going to give you, it's going to be related to your topic which we have covered in the classes.
No, not in the assignment. That sir, what gives at
Challenges.
the yes, challenges, right?
See,
Yeah.
Soumya,
Yes.
here it depends on the person to person mindset. Like, let's take one example. If we want to assign something, okay, then I'm assigning a equal to 50. Okay, some
Okay.
person is defining b equal to 50. Some person defining c equal to 50. So it depends on the
Okay.
person to person. But here in this course, in our course, we will cover everything. Okay, so you have mentioned a try except block, right? So
Yes.
try to check the OOP concept as well as a try except videos, like
Yes.
a recording.
Yes,
Okay,
it will
then
be
you
later
can
on, I
understand
think.
it.
But I just want to know that if I am not able to do or understand that the task that sir has given and the students have solved, is it okay, or I should
If you're
work on
not
that?
able to understand, see, if you're not able to understand, you can come in the doubt clearing, and Skype support is
Yeah, you
also
can
there.
also
Yeah,
connect a
everything
Skype
is
team.
yeah, everything is there. Fine. So if you just first try to learn from yourself, then try it. If then afterwards you are not able to get, then come with us.
Okay,
Hello,
okay.
sir. This is the
Okay, thank
postman.
you.
So can you see the screen now?
Yeah, you can see.
So see, if I'm committing some mistake, I don't know. But
Wait. First of all, just that one route was working, right? So try to provide input for that route.
okay. So the route name was postman, and it was taking commands operation number 1 and number 2. Okay. So operation,
It should be the same.
yeah, operation 1, number 2, operation. Let's make it add, and
Yeah, let it be that name. Fine. Just you can change the
add
variable name.
21, and
And rest of the guys, you can write your doubt in the Q&A
See,
section in
this
the
is the
chat.
number. You need to wait.
yes,
Provide this as a string. This 21, 12.
it will make a string. The code
Okay,
is,
fine. But here also just try to make it as a string. Now I think you are getting.
see, the answer is coming, but
Yeah.
my code is not working. I don't know why.
Okay, wait. Just go inside your code.
Okay.
So yeah, fine. Just try to comment this part, this particular app route, the first one. Which
First one.
Sudhanshu said. Yeah, try to comment it all. Yeah, from app route to till return.
Okay, so I should use dot string.
Not dot string. Just try to select this part. Yeah, this is also fine, but
Is it okay?
yeah, it's fine. Now you can just try with this.
Should I rerun it?
Yes.
Okay. So all right. Now I should go to postman.
We can't see
You can't see.
anything. Yeah.
Now I have changed it via Manu, and then I am making it clear. So first was name, second was email, and third was and
Just change it this to string, this 21, 12.
yeah, sure. Let's see. This is
Right? Anything. Fine. Yeah. Now
okay.
execute.
See, this is what.
Show me your console first of all.
Yeah.
First of all, like try to share your whole screen. Okay, yeah. So, okay, no. Okay, console. I think.
Nothing is happening in the terminal. Just go inside the terminal.
Try to rerun your code again and then check in a postman.
I have rerun it, but it's not working. I
No,
have been
but
doing it
Okay,
since morning.
just try to change your function name, like via Manu. Try to add this thing in your function. Okay. No, function name, dev function.
Acha, okay, sir. Function name. Okay.
Add a string. This is fine. Like underscore via Manu. Okay. Like this.
Add underscore.
No. Add a string. That was fine.
Okay.
Via Manu you can add on. Okay. In that part.
what should I do with via Manu?
Yeah. So underscore via Manu. Just like try to change with this name, okay? Via Manu. Copy this one.
Okay.
Yeah. And like so underscore and like you can paste like add a string. You can add on. You can add on in the function name. Just check with your like our function.
This one?
Yes.
No, it's not like
Now
that.
now save it once.
Wait.
It is save.
Save it. Control S. Save all or whatever.
Okay. And rerun?
Yeah. Now try to rerun. Stop and rerun. Okay.
Okay. Now I should go to Postman.
Yeah. Go with the Postman.
Earlier, I think it was not running. Now you
Let's
can,
check.
yeah, send it again. Wait, man, wait. Just, yeah, now go inside your PyCharm. Just go inside your PyCharm.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, fine. So just try to show me that code, above code. Fine, wait. If post is going to this post.
It's a very simple code, but I don't know why it is not running. I have wasted my whole day.
Try to put the debug is equal to true first of all inside your app function. Okay. App dot run debug is equal to true.
App dot run. That also I have done. Debug the app. This one, right?
Yeah. So I think it will generate a like a error like basically whatever error like you have inside the code.
So I have done that also.
Okay, you can do one thing, just make it as a string. This str, inside that you can put name. Again, str, inside that you can put email.
I have done that also. I think there is some connection issue rather than some programming issue. Okay, let me do it also.
Save
Can you
your
share
code.
the above code with us? Just copy that above code, which was
Yes,
currently running, not this one, the above one.
the above one.
Yeah.
So in the chat box.
Yeah, in the chat you can share.
Okay.
Where you have sent?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, now got it.
Manu, try to check your Postman URL.
Okay. This is the Postman URL.
Hi, Manu, you can check your URL again.
Yes.
Maybe find something else I thought in your code.
Yeah, this is the I mean path.
No, no, your function is not correct. Just check your function in a code.
Acha, function is not correct. Let me check it.
Via menu, you can check again.
Let me check it. Yeah, via menu.
Okay, this is and yeah, open a postman again.
Okay.
Just check sorry.
If you want, I can give you control also. If you want.
Yeah, yeah. So I think that will be fine. So just give the control.
Remote control is
Hmm.
that option?
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes, that option.
To whom? Sunny Savita, Shivan
yeah,
to
yeah, yeah.
Sunny?
I'm getting.
Sunny?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So meanwhile, like another person can go ahead with their doubt.
Yes,
So Omkar and Prashant.
Hello, am I audible?
Yep.
yes, you're audible.
Yes, there was a query for SQL. Delimiter query was there. I am able to execute that in SQL Workbench, but same query is not running in my Jupyter notebook.
Okay, so is there any kind of connection problem with your notebook?
No connection problem. There is no connection problem. I am able to read data through pandas, but not I'm not able to execute that query with respect to. I will just let you know what is the query it's about. The query is about creation of procedure, store procedure.
Okay, store procedure. Okay, so can you just ping us that code and the error?
Yes, I will just ping you my code and then I'm able to execute that same in my SQL workbench.
Okay,
I'm able to do the same. Even I also asked that question to support team also, but support team I was able to find the answer on my own, but then I also
so have you got that answer or?
I've got my answer on my own for workbench, but not through Jupyter Notebook.
Okay,
I'm not able to answer that question through Jupyter Notebook. I'm stuck.
Okay, Manu, just give me the access once. The
I
Yep.
will
Yes.
just drop on the chat box.
Uh,
okay,
I I've given you access. You can move your cursor. Yes.
Okay, okay, fine. So I think you have just share your single screen, right? Or like entire screen,
Uh,
because I cannot see a pie chart.
okay. Now can you see?
No, just give me the just like reshare your screen with the entire screen, okay? And give me the access again.
Okay. So which option should I choose? Because
Screen, top left hand side, you can see the screen option.
content from second camera. I can see
Uh,
four options: PowerPoint and virtual background sharing, portion of screen, music or computer sound only, content from second camera.
no, no, just like top left hand option, screen option will be there. Like so, are you able to see?
Mm.
Manu, just try with this. I have sent you a message.
Uh,
It's a similar kind of thing which you have tried.
the code you have sent.
Yeah, it's a similar code only.
Okay, shall I run it?
Yeah, try to run it.
Okay.
Yeah, Omkar, so you can share your screen, okay? So
And
Manu is
just try
trying.
to change the route name. So here it's via underscore post.
Okay.
So I'm audible. I'm able to run this code, procedure code in my SQL,
Mm-hmm.
but I'm not able to.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
This code you have sent. The root name is via post. So
Yeah.
I already have a root name via post.
Okay, just try to change it some other post one. You can write post one
Okay.
via post one and try to check with this post one.
Okay. Control S. Run.
Yes, Omkar, show me the error, what error you are getting. Yes, scroll down.
it's giving yes SQL syntax error.
Okay.
But if I go, are you able to see my second screen?
Uh, yes, this
Oh, sir.
programming.
Sir, it's not working. It's still not working.
The same error you're getting?
Yes.
Okay.
URL was not found on the server.
URL, I think. Okay, we'll see. We'll see that thing.
Okay, so
So
just wait for some time, Manu. Okay, so we will
Okay.
give you a chance in the last. Okay, don't worry.
No issue.
Okay.
It's a small error only, so we'll
Yeah.
quickly resolve that thing.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, Omkar, go ahead.
so I have tried that in my different notebook, but I'm unable to do that. Then what I did, I run this first. I ran this query in MySQL. So I also
Mm-hmm.
again was unable to do it. Then I went to MySQL documentations. From there, I said that from delimiter from line number 5 to line number 15, I have to execute the command. After executing that command, I have to execute 16 number and then I can execute 17 number. Then this code will run, okay, in MySQL. So if I go to Jupyter Notebook, so I have cursor.execute till end double dollars. I
Mm-hmm.
executed this, but then it is giving a syntax error.
Okay, so here only or in your Jupyter notebook?
Yes, here only in Jupyter Notebook. I'm only waiting this in Jupyter because we have to create documentation, right? In the for MySQL. So I'm only facing here itself. I'm not facing any issue in MySQL.
Mm-hmm. You have an error. So check the manual I think there is some mistake like between. Okay, just copy the error and paste inside the chat. Okay, so let me check with the correct syntax. Okay.
Okay. Then I will just stop my thing.
Yeah. So just let me check with the correct syntax. I'll let you know. And yeah.
Hello.
So yeah,
Okay, bye
Anubhav.
then. Okay, bye then. I will wait.
Yeah, I'm Prashant.
Okay, yeah, Prashant, go ahead.
Yeah, actually, I have a query that how to download the docs file, that Word document file, which is present on the uh, portal.
Mm-hmm.
So, how can I use with Python programming? Uh, Actually, it was a task. 2-3 weeks back, but
That
most
task is given to you guys, right?
yeah, task is given. I can understand, but see, uh, when you have done with the complex programming and all, so it makes me very difficult for understanding for loop also.
So
So
anyone who has done this thing?
yeah,
Yes.
most of them has done and
Okay.
submitted. I have checked the code also, but I think after seeing that code, I can realize that they are from technical background. They have some coding knowledge and all. So I just want to solve with a very easy, like using any library or something. And one more query, that if there is a doc file present on the web portal, okay, how can we exactly go to that particular docs? That means we are accessing through the URL, correct? So how can we go to the exact particular doc?
So you are
That
talking about like you want to download that doc inside your local system.
Yeah, actually, I have some idea how web scraping done. Okay, so we can find the web elements, and through web elements we can locate that exact thing. But how can we access the
So
same
what
thing?
you have tried, Prasant? So what you have tried?
So I tried through web scraping, but I
So
am unable to locate the location
what
exactly.
location? So what kind of thing we want to extract? The doc file?
Yeah, doc file.
Okay. So is that the same task which sir has given to you?
No, no, it is not related to task also.
Okay.
See, I personally have that query.
Okay, that personally query, fine. We can solve it later because there are a lot of other people is also there. So first let them clarify their doubt. So we'll
My,
get back to you.
my question is simple that see on the portal the doc file is present. Okay, if we
Yes.
are accessing the web elements, so we can access the web elements by using the ID element fields and all. Okay,
I,
if you want to know the
I
exact
think you're
location,
talking about web scraping or something.
Yes.
yeah,
Yes, Prasant. Yeah. Okay.
yeah, yeah.
Prashant, you can
So
just type your query in chat, okay, so that I'll try to solve that. Okay.
yeah, okay,
That complete code you can give it to us. What
yeah,
you have
okay,
written. Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, Omkar.
Hello.
So what error you were getting? So just copy the error in the chat. I will let you know. Okay. What is the current syntax of your SQL query? Okay. Yeah. So I
Current
think
Hello.
SQL,
yeah, yeah.
current,
Mm-hmm.
okay, current, what should I show? I should show you my Jupyter notebook or my SQL?
Just the error part. Okay. So programming error
Yes.
like you were getting. Okay. Yeah. So next one is Janvi. Yeah, Janvi. Go ahead.
Hi. So I have a doubt regarding like MySQL. I'm trying to, upload the data into you. Upload the CSV, the data in CSV file into MySQL Workbench. But let me share my screen first. I think I cannot share my screen.
Yeah, wait for some other person is also sharing the screen.
Uh huh. Okay.
So that's why you're not able to share.
Okay. Fine. So
Okay, wait for some time, I think.
yeah, yeah, sure.
Yes, so I think Omkar is sharing. So Omkar, just like copy the error in the chat, okay?
I already did that. Let me do that once again and I will stop my screen.
Uh,
Okay.
This error, this one, programming error, yeah.
Okay. Should I stop sharing my screen?
Yeah, you can stop your sharing. Yeah, Jan, you can go ahead.
Yeah, sure. So I hope you can see my screen, right?
Yes, we can see.
So I'm just trying to dump the data from the student.csv file into student data 1. The table is created and I'm able to enter the data even manually. But the problem here is when I'm trying to do it at a time. So I'm just getting this error, unknown column, Janavi in field list.
Okay, just go above.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, wait here.
Sure.
So CSV reader. Print. So how many fields are there in this data set? Data underscore CSV.
So probably 10 fields, I guess. That's it. Yeah, 10 or 11.
Okay. Okay, fine. Go to the code. Yeah.
Mhm.
J print K. Okay, so why you are using this print 4K in J1?
Sorry, this one?
Yeah.
Because I'm using the enumerate function over here, so definitely it is going to display as tuples.
Yes.
So in that, I'm just taking this path, right?
Okay.
That is the reason I'm just using.
So what is J? So J here you are displaying print J, right?
Yeah, this is J.
Print J, the second one, right? So this is your J. So
Yeah,
what will be the K? First of all, so K
will be this one. The list part will be K.
J1. Okay. So instead of 4K in J1, J1. So just try to print the J1 directly after printing J.
Okay.
Now run it.
Sorry, this is the one. Yeah.
Okay. So So now just after this J1, you can write one more bracket, and inside that you can write 0.
Like this?
Not here. After one, that square bracket,
Here?
not here. Yeah, before that line. Yeah.
Okay. So like this, you're saying?
Yes. Now run it.
Okay.
What you're getting? Fine. Yeah. Now just try to remove this for loop, the last for loop.
This one?
Yeah. Not complete thing. Not complete. Just till print K.
Okay. And this one should be over here. Okay.
Yes. Now try to execute.
Still the same issue. First of all, Janvi is the value. I don't know why it is saying that as unknown column,
Unknown column.
in field list. That is what it is trying to say. I don't
Okay,
know.
now, so first of all, you need to assign this. Earlier, you are giving K, right? So now you need to provide here this complete thing, J10. You can assign after
sorry.
that K.
Yeah, I understood. So
Zero.
J1, 0. Still the same error.
It's the same error. Format.
So, I mean, J10 in the sense you're taking the first element in the list right here.
Yeah, the second C here. First of all, J is one of the J is the tuple, right? So in
Exactly.
that tuple, so first of all, I am considering the second index, in the sense
The
we have
list.
written the first one, right? So because it's going to start from 0. So that's why I have written 1, and what it's returning another list. So in order to get the first value inside a list, so that's why I've written 0.
Okay, so you're just trying for at least one value, whether it is updating or not, right?
Correct.
Okay.
So it's the same. No, it's not same thing because it was a totally mistake. You have written 4K in J1. Okay, so
No,
insert.
actually, I have seen even Sudhanshu's code, so I just followed that.
Okay.
But the only thing is Sudhanshu used this code in like using some glass data. So I just thought, okay, let me try it with some sample code and see like how it is working. I mean, like whether I'm able to do or not. That's it. That is the thing.
Check your chat, ma'am, and copy. Sorry, not this. Let me copy this link.
Sorry.
So what kind of code Sudhanshu shared to you related to this?
So I think I need to open it up. I did not download that file yet.
Okay.
Let me check it out once. Okay. Sorry about that. Where is the screen? Yeah. So this is the one. So yeah, this is the code.
Okay, just copy this code and paste in a Jupyter notebook, and just only rename the data set name.
Yeah.
That
Copy
will
this
be
complete code.
So this is the one, right? Yeah. I think I even tried with this because this is what Sudhanshu said, I guess. So I think this is the one. I already did it.
Same thing.
Yeah. There I was just using like F equal to open in here.
Just try to run that code what Sudhanshu sir has given to you. Not like don't do just any kind of modification. Try to run as it is.
Okay, the modification in the sense, okay. Here I have just used another CSV file. That is the only difference, like what I have done, I guess.
So just show me your like CSV file once.
It's the same
this
thing.
Student.csv.
Yeah.
Name. So is this string? Janvi is a like it is considering as a string?
Yes.
Okay, so show me your like create table command. So I think
this is the one.
Create table student.
No, character C3 date.
Varchar C3 date.
So is it created or it's throwing some kind of
Yeah.
error?
I even tried to update, I mean, insert values manually as also. So see, it got created. When I'm doing it manually, it's working.
Just show me the code once.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, go above. Yeah. From the starting. Okay, that insert that create table command.
Okay, fine. So this is the create table command.
Just try to execute once again. Try to check with different table name. Okay.
Yeah, try to give student data to.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, fine. It's created.
So here, you want me to enter some values manually as well?
Yeah. Just try once.
This one is student 2. Okay.
iNeuron dot student database.
Column name is same or different? Just check.
Sorry?
That column name is same or different? Just check.
Column name is same, seems to be same. I just use the same thing.
SNO C1, C2, C3.
Yeah, see, this is the one which I created recently.
Okay,
And I
yeah.
entered even manually as well, right? That data got copied, which I entered manually.
Okay, so I think like your database name and iNeuron, right? So
Yeah, iNeuron, yeah.
where you have like declared this variable?
I mean, you're asking where I have created the database, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, just a second then.
Just remove that database part and try to once again.
See, this is the database part over here.
Okay. Exactly. iNeuron.
Yeah.
Okay.
So basically the connection, everything was right because only then the data is being inserted, right? When I inserted it manually.
Yes.
So only
So
issue
here,
was
wait,
over
wait, wait.
here.
Go ever, go ever.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, here. Okay. It's fine, but why it's not getting executed?
Okay, just wait, ma'am. I am giving you a code. Okay, just try with this.
Sure.
So Manish has given this code. Just try to use
Just a second.
in
It's in
this chat.
chat, right?
Yeah, in this
Yeah.
chat.
This is the one, right? Okay. Let me close this. So
Try to
data.
change that name, your database name.
Yeah. This is data CSV. So from, I think I have written here as, okay, it's just the same. Yeah, even for that, it is just showing me the same thing.
Okay.
So I even tried restarting kernel many times and I was checking all the time, but still I'm just getting this error.
Maybe you can try to like for you are doing for J in data CSV instead of doing enumerate. For J in data in CSV you do it and then try to print what J of 0 does, right?
So we have already done that.
Okay, now and then what you do is you try to split that value and write it into another variable called var or something, I mean, any other variable, and then you can you can do this. I think because I have done this because even I faced a lot of problem with what Sudhanshu has done.
Okay, fine. Sudhanshu sir, whatever thing he has done, right? So have you executed the same thing?
Yes. Even I have executed some, and I have also faced difficulties.
See inside what are the values we are providing inside this F. You can see here in the second line, format F is there. Fine. So what are the values we are providing here? Just show what kind of value we are getting using that Sudhanshu sir code. So is it the same format we are using here, or it's a different kind of format we are getting?
So see, except the CSV file, everything is same. That is what I
fine.
can say.
That is fine, completely fine. But try to execute that same code only. Okay, the same data, try to use that same data, same code, and just try to print that complete thing, each and every line. So what kind of value we are getting after which line? So what kind of format it is following? It's some kind of list, or it's just simple kind of number, string, fine. Just try to check that those things.
Okay.
Are you getting my point?
Yeah, I totally understood what you're trying to say. But
Because
yeah,
see
so
now what kind of
mhm.
data, now you can see what kind of data we are providing here inside this F, right? So it's completely 0, comma, this thing is there, right? So I think this is going to
So
consider as a string, complete string.
so even
It is,
when it comes to like Sudhanshu's, I mean the task, even
yeah.
there it is executing as a tuple first, and then in that he is considering the first index, and it's taking as a list. Until then, I am sure. I mean, like I'm sure about that.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Ma'am, just try to like type conversion of this format str. Just try with str.
And try to remove this 0 here from
This 0 first of all. Yeah.
From
try
here.
to remove. Yeah, try to remove. Yeah, now execute.
Okay.
str with
Execute. Same error.
Yeah.
Type
No, actually, it's a different one now.
This is taking as a complete string, this complete from 0 to this complete date.
Yeah, so it
You
is
need to
not.
divide. You need to divide this variable. Like you need to store in some other variable, each and
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah, that's what I told Sunny. I think if you remember, I just told now, right?
Yeah,
for
correct.
Loop it for I in data underscore CSV, take I of 0 and use dot split and use comma as the splitting as the delimiter.
Delimiter, okay.
Yeah, and store it in another variable that will result in a list, okay? And then convert that list into a string, and then you can insert it.
Ma'am, with
That,
this
that
join
way I was
also
able
you
to
can
do it.
use.
Okay.
Yeah. The join also has to be used. Yes, correct.
Ma'am, this one
Okay.
code I have pasted in the chat. Just check with this code, okay? So just try to like join your this tuple,
With a comma.
okay? With comma, yeah. So I have
Yeah.
pasted, okay? Then like try to
Okay.
execute, try to insert, okay? Just try once, okay? If you are getting any error, just let us know, okay?
Okay. So the one which you pasted sometime back, that is what you're trying to say?
Yeah, so
Yes.
this you have to like replace this format basically first of all in the join,
So
okay?
this Manish has sent one more code. Just try to use this one in the chat.
Oh yeah, I'm just seeing the chat. So this is the one I can see only the. Okay. I got it. Yeah.
This is the new code he has sent.
Okay. So and the other one is this. Okay, fine. I'll try it out then.
Yeah, just try. Okay, so yeah, Murli, Krishna, yeah.
Yeah, should I
Okay.
go ahead with my doubt?
Yeah.
Just try this one. Yeah, fine.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. I need to share my screen. I think mine is a very simple one.
Just wait, okay?
Yeah, that's right. Okay.
I have a theoretical question. Can I ask? This is Deepak here.
Oh
Just
yeah.
the
Yes.
same.
Yeah. Yes, Deepak.
Okay, so I have a question regarding Cassandra. So the way Sudhanshu used Cassandra in our class, it was like we use tables, and so I just want to know if in Cassandra there is no relationship between the tables or no join that we can use. Then is Cassandra really helpful in using tables and like the structured data, or is Cassandra more used towards the unstructured data?
So who has told you like we are not able to perform join kind of operation in Cassandra?
I tried some joins as well as I looked up on the SQL, all those Cassandra data stacks documentation as well. And there it was mentioned that the join statements cannot really work on Cassandra.
So where you have read those things? In some document?
On the
of
data
which-
stacks documentations, data stacks.
Can you share that link?
Sure, 1 second.
Yeah, this is Murli here. Are you able to view my screen, please? Hello?
Yes, Murli, yes, go ahead.
Yeah, see, actually my doubt is like, is something related to the inserting the values into the database, okay? So if you see here, I have tried a couple of, like, I have marked it as failed insert format and successful insert formats, okay? So this is basically, I'm using a MySQL, okay? I have inserted using these two methods, okay? Like for example, these two methods, yeah, working for CSV. This is in Cassandra, sorry, okay. This is in Cassandra I'm trying to insert, okay, on the cloud, okay? So when I use these two syntaxes, for example, let's say the one I have, sorry, it's going down. When I'm trying to use, 1 second, just give me a second. Oh, yeah. So if you see that the successful insert formats, these two insert formats are working fine with me in Cassandra, okay? Like for example, if I say insert into basic, the basic is the key name and the employee is the database, there's a table, and I give the column names followed by percentage, okay, and then I give employee ID, employee name, employee's salary, okay. So here, let's say what I have done is this employee ID, employee name, and employee's sal. I have I'm typecasting it. Okay, I have to convert it into, let's say if the employee ID happens to be an integer, I have typecasted it into integer. The other one, the name is naturally a varchar or a text. Okay, and the salary happens to be an integer. Okay, because that's how I have created the table there. Okay, so when I do that, it is taking it. It's able to successfully pass. And the other one syntax is this one, the second one in the red. Okay, I'm directly passing integer column and column 1 and integer column 2. So these two ways it is successfully taking it. But when I try to do something like this, like say in these two, the above one, well, I'm trying to say failed insert format, right? Let you see the same thing I have done. The only thing is I'm just doing the same, converting into a string format, like what we do for a MySQL. Okay, the same thing runs in a MySQL, but it doesn't run here.
Okay.
So is there any, is it Cassandra, what do you call it? It is specifically we have to typecast it. Like for example, if we have to pass it as an integer, we have to pass it as an integer. Because in this, if you convert it to a string, it takes it as a string, isn't it?
As a string, it is not taking, right?
Yeah, it is not taking. And the second one also, let's see. I'm showing the second one, right? See, it is the second one in the failed insert into the basic.emp2 table. That okay. The same thing. I'm just saying values question mark, question mark, question mark. I'm just passing employee ID, employee name, employee salary. That also it doesn't take. But the same thing here, it takes the same thing, but if I give percentile s, it takes.
So basically %s works with like integer. Okay, so in a Python, this format specifier works with integer. We can print like an integer value with %s in a Python. Okay, but vice versa is not like a, basically I think it is possible. So
like,
yeah,
for example, because the question mark why I have used this, because if you see there is a way to use the question mark also. Like see here, we use for example there is a prepared, okay, we prepare a session underscore online that is related to the cloud cluster, and here is the query, right? It is the same query which failed, right? I've showed question mark, question mark, question mark. Okay, and now here what I'm trying to do, I'm just trying to do session underscore online dot execute. This prepared is here, right? The insert is just being pasted here, right? That is what it's going to happen. So what, and I'm passing it the same values, employee ID, employee name, employee salary, right? So this is what I have done here also, right? Here, this one, like for example, let's say the first one, which is it is failing for, it is the same as, sorry, the second one, sorry, the second one here, the question mark one. Okay, I'm just values question mark question mark question mark. I'm following. I'm giving the left side. I'm giving you the column names followed by the values, right? Employee ID, employee name, employee sal. Okay. And what I have done, I have converted this employee ID into typecasted them. Okay, this thing here. The same thing I'm doing here also, right? See, by using the prepared statement. Okay, but this one works with the prepare one. It works perfectly. But with the same thing, when I do this directly, it doesn't work. If you want me to explain
Prasant,
it,
Prasant, are you here, Prasant?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, Prasant. So like one person has pinged that it's actually correct in the postman. You are tried with postman, right? So you are the guy who's having problem in postman.
No, no, no.
Okay, then who was that guy?
Manu was that.
Manu.
Yeah.
Manu, are you here?
Yes, yes, yes.
Manu, just
Yes.
try, yeah, just try to use double quote in that postman, not the single quote.
Yeah, I have used double quotes everywhere.
Okay, fine, fine. We'll see afterwards. Yes, go ahead, please.
yeah. I was here like for if you say the failed insert format, what I said, the second one is the same as whatever I have shown you below, like in the prepared statement, right? If you see,
Yes,
it is
yes,
the
yes,
same
got it.
thing.
Basically, this same syntax is not working with that. Like,
In
basically,
the in
whenever
the in
you
the
are pass
direct
it
way.
directly, you are passing.
Yeah, directly. Yeah, when I try to pass it directly, it is not working. But when I use this prepare statement and do it, it works.
Okay, what error it is showing? So, based on
I will show you. I will just let me mark this also. I don't know. I have tried so many times, but it's failing. Yeah. Name column is not defined. Okay.
the same error you are getting every time.
I don't know. It's a column only have defined right here. I have
Column
not
is
done
this
anything.
column basically is like after print basically. So row dot
Yeah.
replace this one,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. The name column is not defined. It says.
Just restart your system and try to run once again. Okay, restart your kernel. Sorry. Yeah.
Name column is undefined. It says. Oh, so, okay. I think there is something wrong with this. Okay. I found a mistake here. It should not be column. It's a row here. Let me see if it works. No, sorry. It's not a problem. Sorry. Print column. There is no column here.
Yeah, so it will be row data in
Yeah,
row.
let me not let me just I think there is a visual a print statement. Anyhow, I'm using the row dot replace and then splitting it, right? Okay, that's the error with the okay. Now let me run this. Now it says, yeah, new session. Okay. Now again I have to do but just hold on. I think I have to recreate the session. Where that section is where that up. This is this works. I'm just trying to. Yeah, now it has successfully done that. So I'm timing down. Run this one. Yeah, right. Not all arguments are converted during string formatting. This is the error that was. Yeah. Okay. Now, if I do the same thing here, let's see. Let's the same thing here, right? If I run this, it will go through fine. Yeah, it's returning me an error. I'm going to say it's saying the row is already existing, right? That's why it says applied is false. So it is trying to insert, okay, because the value is already existing, it is returning me applied is false. Whereas in this case, it just throws me an error saying that not all arguments are converted to the string format.
You are iterating via for loop, right? So
yeah, it is same thing. It is a for loop for both of them. If you see, it is I'm directly with open after opening the CSV file, I am doing a next data for row in data I am doing, okay. And then let's see compare this with this here. I'm just opening the CSV file. I'm doing next data for row in data. I'm just converting the row into columns and then doing the same thing here. And I'm also passing the same syntax, you see, that employee ID, employee name, employee sal. And I'm also converting that integer, the employee ID and employee sal here. Okay, same thing that I am doing there. The only difference being I am passing this insert statement through a online prepare session.prepare.
yes, I think it is not accepting in that format basically. So that specific format is working basically. That is not working. So I think.
Oh, when I give it in direct way, it doesn't take. Yeah. And second thing, as I told you, if I pass it as a string, like what we do it for a MySQL, like for example, somebody has discussed, right, just before me, somebody was trying to send it as a, trying to pass on the value to a dot format, right? In case of Cassandra Cloud, I don't have my local Cassandra, so I am using it only on online. That is the cloud one. This thing doesn't work, but in MySQL it goes through absolutely fine.
MySQL it is working basically. In the Cassandra it is not.
Yeah, Cassandra this passing it as a string like dot format, like this thing, it doesn't work because if you see these two successful format inserts are taking are doing like here also I'm doing a typecasting, right, before doing insert. And if you look at this the last row, and this is a successful insert format, I'm just saying directly I'm converting the values here, like I'm highlighting this here, right?
Yes. Got your point.
Yeah. Whereas if I do, and like here also I have already typecasted them into integers, right? This also works. Whereas so I think maybe if it is specifically looking for an integer value, and if you pass it, if you don't pass it as an integer value.
So Ravi sir, any idea about like any specific basically format it is taking a data or not?
I was looking into some other problem. Fine.
Okay.
Format wise. So anyone who has listened to this current doubt, and know the answer for this? Anyone?
I think no one, right?
No one.
This is a workaround. Like I'm going to say, there are two successful ways of doing it. Okay. In fact, there are three ways. One is the prepared way, like session.prepare. There are three ways of doing it. All the three are working fine. But the only thing is these two are not working.
Yes. So there's something like basically format issue. So we have to check while running. So
yeah, we need to check this format. So maybe sometime it create problem, like format issue will get in this kind of problem. So we need to look into this problem in detail.
Because if I did the same thing, I'm to say I can try to show you also if I have it with me. I tried to use that, run that with for my MySQL also, and it went through absolutely fine. Let me see where I have that MIS.
So MySQL or like Cassandra can differ basically. Looks like insert statement. Okay.
Yeah.
So that is why like it is working with MySQL. It is not working with Cassandra. Okay.
Yeah. Especially the first one, like it works on it's the string conversion, right? Like using the join and other things. This works very well with the MySQL.
Yes.
And there is also another way of like something similar to this, like percentile yes, percentile using this percentile yes kind of format in MySQL also. But in that it doesn't like if even if you are passing an integer and you try to say that instead of a percentile yes, you say percentile d, it fails. In MySQL, you got my doubt, right? I'm listening.
Yeah,
What I'm trying to say.
I got basically. So
Yeah,
like we'll have to
like
check
in case
basically.
here I'm
Mm-hmm.
yeah. In there, I need not do a typecasting like this. In case of a MySQL, I just pass it as a what do you call maybe as a string itself and give a percentile. Yes, it takes even integer. It passes and inserts it to the table. Whereas in case of here, I need to do an explicit type conversion. In case of a Cassandra Cloud, I don't know what the offline. I mean, say the local side.
Yeah, so I think we'll have to check like basically we need to run this code. Okay. So then only basically we can say something regarding the format basically. So how it is taking like this format or this and that format is not taking. So
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So should I send it to you or?
Yeah. So just send us. Okay. Just send
Okay.
basically. Okay. This
No,
file.
actually, how do I reach out to you? Like in queried at iNeuron.co.in
Yeah. So
or?
I think sir like you can send over the query at the rate iNeuron.ai, right?
Yeah, and what is the way to reach out to the Skype team?
Yeah, you can also ping over the Skype basically. Okay, so
It's support@iNeuron.ai.
Yeah,
So
can
you
you
can
just bring
reach
me
out
that?
to us.
Can you just bring me that? Bring me that, please.
Yes. So, this is a Skype ID. Like you can check in the chat.
So yeah, that is my doubt. I think anyhow. I think maybe
Yeah.
I can
So
I can stop my share and I can drop the mail to you. Right?
yeah. So like you can ping over the Skype. Okay, so I will be like available over there. Okay, so in the morning.
Yeah,
Okay.
Sunny, right? Sunny or Ravi?
Yeah. Sunny. Okay.
Sunny. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Sir. Yeah.
So
Thank you.
I will look into this. Okay.
Yeah, I will stop sharing.
Yeah. Sure.
Hello, sir. Can I speak?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Anubhav. Can I?
Yes, sir. My problem
Sorry.
is
And
regarding
thank you, Sunny and Ravi.
MySQL.
Sorry. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you for your time.
Yeah. So thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, I'm not able to import the data from CSV file in my SQL.
Sorry, can you say it again?
Sir, I am not able to import the data which I need while doing inside encircle process.
Inside, you are trying with Cassandra, right?
No, I am with my SQL.
SQL,
Yes.
MySQL. Okay.
I am not able to import the data.
Are you able to establish a connection with your
Yes, sir.
MySQL?
Yes, sir.
So you are trying in Jupyter
yes, sir.
Notebook or in just in
In just
MySQL?
MySQL. To perform the join operation, I have to import the data from directory, which I
Okay.
am not able to do.
So have you followed the step what we have taught in the class?
Yes, sir. It
The
showed
same
me error.
process you have done?
Yes.
Are you able to properly install in your system?
Yes,
MySQL?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Can I share my screen?
yes, you can share.
So it is saying you cannot share your screen while the
I
other
think
participant is sharing.
Murli is sharing or some other person.
No, I think I have already stopped sharing it, right?
Okay, Sunny,
I think
just
you may need to.
Some other person is sharing. I think.
Deepak Rathod.
Okay. Deepak is sharing right now. Yeah, so Deepak, just stop your sharing. Okay, so Anubhav, like, so you can share. So yeah, Deepak. So we will look your problem. Okay, after work. Okay.
Sunny, you can just remove some of the panelists, so whoever done with their query.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Yes, sir. This is my flow. And from here, I try to insert the table, the data.
Okay. Created table. So what kind of option it's giving to you?
Like to create a new table in the same database.
Okay.
Okay. So after this step, I am seeing error.
After this, you are getting an error.
Yes.
Okay, I think it's able to detect your complete data set.
Yes,
It's
sir.
showing in your downside, I think.
Yes, sir. Should I change this data type?
No, I think what kind of data it is? Just show me the Excel sheet,
The
CSV file.
same. Okay, A1.
Just open it separately.
Yes, this is the data.
So this is the data. Okay, so why it's written 0,6790? Just try to create some other CSV file or use it some other CSV.
So this is the only data which is Sudhanshu sir has given.
The same
I
data.
yes, sir. I have already utilizing it here, but
Wait.
to operate a join operation, I have to use one more table. For that, I am supposed to import some other data.
So are you able to create some kind of table from your side? Simple table, I'm asking.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just try to create it now and add some data in that table, like 2, 3 record you can add. A simple table, create it. Test 1, test 2 table, and add two record on that. Meanwhile, other can ask a query.
It's okay. Can I go ahead with my project?
Who is talking? Your name, please?
Sachin.
Sachin.
Yeah. Can I go ahead with my project?
Your voice is very low. Can you speak a little bit louder? Okay.
Is it audible now?
Yeah. Yeah, you're audible.
Okay. I have a couple of doubts. The first thing is that,
Your
this
voice is
person,
low actually.
just give me a moment. Is it clear now?
Yeah, it's clear now.
So see, in Cassandra, like whenever we are trying to write the query via Jupyter, and we try to create this key space, it's not happening. So we have to create manually from Cassandra. That's the right.
Yeah.
And first thing is this. Second thing is that is it necessary that in production we have to use Jupyter notebook for doing any query in Cassandra, or we can do it via dashboard itself from the SQL console?
See, anything you can use. It's based upon your what kind of problem statement you are dealing with. You
Okay.
can use Cassandra, MySQL, anything is fine. Or else MongoDB, Firebase. Yeah, anything is fine.
Okay, and Cassandra, this under this SQL console, when I'm using any key space, and when I write use the key space name, followed with the key space name, and if after that I will be inside the key space, right? So if I want to come out from that key space, how if I do that?
come out from the key space.
Yes.
Yes, just try to connect with the different key space, because see what, when we are connecting, we are providing the name of key space, right? Suppose as a key space, there is one data set name ds1, you can say ds, right? Hello, Sachin. Okay, fine.
So I think he's not there. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, I think like
Sachin, your voice is not audible to us.
I'm very sorry. There was a power cut. I couldn't understand anything. Can you please help me understand again? Like, if I write some query, in SQL console by using some key space, and if I want to come out from that key space, and then how to do that? Hello.
yes. I think who is sharing?
Hello.
Anubhav is sharing, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes.
So, am I audible to you?
Yes.
yeah. You are audible. You are audible.
Yeah, now you're audible. Yeah, Sachin.
So can you please help me understand, like, like when we are writing SQL queries with command line and all, what we do, some shortcut was there to come out from any database or any table. So similarly, in SQL console, when we are writing some query under some key space, and I want to come out from that key space, how to do that? Like if I write like use key space name like Sachin, okay, and now in the other step I want to, then if I hit enter I will be inside my key space name Sachin. I want to come out from that Sachin. How I will do that? I want to enter into some other key space to create some other table. So how I'm going to do that?
So I think there will be some kind of function is already there. You need to check it. That's it. Let me see.
Anubhav, check your chat and just follow the path.
Drop,
There four to
yeah,
five
drop
steps are
key
there.
space. That command is drop key space and the key space name. That's it.
Okay, thank you. Other thing is that in key space, as sir has told, Shubham sir has told that key space acts similarly like a database. So when we create a key space, there is some specific command which we always use. Some class, strategy, then replication factor. First, I want to understand what is this replication factor and what is this replication and what is cluster. Can you please help me understand? When I check for this cluster thing and Google told me like when a set of computers work together is called a cluster. But on Cassandra dashboard, I see when we create a key space and we generate tokens and all, we can see it will create one cluster ID as well. So what is that cluster replication factor?
Yes, sir, I followed this thing. I I tried to insert from here, but
Okay.
it shows me some bug fix. So,
So now you have created two tables from your side or not?
yes, sir. So it's giving me incorrect integer value.
From column it.
When I try to cancel it, it's showing error value.
Wait. Just try to load some other Excel sheet. Why you are trying with this Excel sheet? Maybe there is some kind of data problem is there in that. Just
Okay.
try to make use some other Excel sheet, CSV file.
But I tried with some other also, but same problem.
Okay.
So what is replication?
Yeah. So I think Sachin is there, right? So Sachin,
Yeah.
basically replication means to basically creating a copy. Okay, so it is basically in the class itself. Sudhanshu sir has told you. Okay, so in the HDFS means Hadoop like basically system. Okay, so like they create a copy of a data. Okay, so Hadoop basically a distributed file system first of all. Okay, so I think like you must know this thing basically first of all. So Hadoop is a like a distributed file system. So in that basically it creates a copy of a data. So it create a different cluster, a different node. Okay, so in each and every node it creates a copy of a data. So there is a like a separate functionality of SDFS basically Hadoop distributed file system. You will be able to understand in a like a big data classes. Okay, so the same concept is applying over the like a Cassandra cluster. Okay, so first of all, what is a cluster? So cluster is a like a machine. Okay, so over the cloud basically whenever you are selecting the like cluster, okay, so you must have selected the like a cloud first of all. Okay, so AWS, GCP, or like whatever Azure. Okay, so in case suppose you have selected a AWS, right? So over the AWS it is running your instance, means it is running your cluster. Okay, so inside a cluster basically it is following a same concept of like creating a node, like different node mean different
Yes,
like
sir.
basically like a
It's done,
cluster.
right?
Yeah, so
Yes.
yeah, so
Yeah, so
sir,
that's what I told you. Just try with some
uh,
other Excel file.
Sachin, am I audible to you now?
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Yes, I can hear you.
replication
Please go
factor means suppose like we have a replication factor 1. Okay, so it will create a one copy of the data of the basically whatever data we are giving, whatever data we are like storing. Okay, so it will like create a one copy of the data. And if we are giving a replication factor 2, okay, so it will like create a two copy of the data over the cluster. Okay, so in
Okay,
the
just wanted to interrupt you. Very sorry. So here, when we create a key space, we write
Mhm,
replication factor.
mhm,
Okay, so it will create a copy of the data, that is here. So
mhm.
what copy of data it is creating, and where it is creating the copy of the data, where it is storing the copy of the data.
So in the class, like I think Sudhanshu sir has told you in the free, like basically we are purchasing a free like a space, okay, over the cloud. So okay, in that basically you are not able to see that service. Okay, so whenever like you will purchase a like a separate machine, okay, so paid one basically in that you can see that functionality. Okay, so like you can like access a distributed node basically whatever node like it has created. Okay, so you can like see that node and you can retrieve the data from that node.
Okay. And one more thing is there, while getting the key space, we write a class, a strategy, name, the network topology strategy, the node network. What are these things, and how we are going to? What is the main idea behind it? Why we are using this class strategy, the network topology strategy? What are these things?
So a network topology is like just related to basically so it is creating a like a server. Okay, so we are like a
I
uh,
think you are going to learn in your big data classes. I think you are from this class, right? Full stack.
yeah,
Yes,
so
yes,
this will
yes.
be fine also.
Yeah, that will be there in your classes.
Okay. And one more thing I want to understand, sir was talking about a term called homogeneous and heterogeneous system. What it means basically? Like heterogeneous, it will work with the help of other systems. How it is like homogeneous, it will be independent system.
Homogeneous system, heterogeneous system with respect to what? I think I'm not able to get it.
Yeah, cluster or something. What you're telling?
No, no, not a cluster. In last class, he was talking about API, and he said that when when you use a Google Pay, and then when you from Google Pay, when you try to access your account and transfer some money, then you have to enter into bank's database. So for communicating with bank database, you have to use create a API
Mm-hmm.
for doing that. Okay, so while while that making this clear, so I was talking that something else like you can create
Your
API
voice
to
is
connect with
breaking.
heterogeneous
Your
system.
vo your
Is it
voice is
is it clear
breaking.
now?
Yeah, it's
I'm
clear
very
now.
sorry. So he said that while creating API, you can create API to connect with heterogeneous system. You can create API to connect with homogeneous systems. So what basically this means?
Uh, I
So
think
what he said, like related to homogeneous. What kind of system? Anything he
No,
has
he didn't
specified?
define what is homogeneous and heterogeneous. He just said that when we are trying to
It's a kind of
access.
name he has given simply. It's not like a homogeneous, heterogeneous kind of thing. So it's something related to the name he has given to some kind of API.
Oh, okay. And one last question that I wanted to clarify. See, here we are learning Cassandra. So do I need to deep down into Cassandra, or just I have to learn the basic, like how to write a queries inside Cassandra? Will that be enough, or I have to deep down like SQL, how we learn it? We have to get to H and everything.
See, what are the things you can do in MySQL? The same thing you can do in Cassandra also. The same thing, what are the things
In
you
SQL,
can do in any kind of database, in the structured database, you can say. The same thing you can do here also. It's not like some syntax making change here in Cassandra, but the rest of the thing will be same here.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
thank you very much.
That there is a problem in my data only, and
Okay, yeah.
yeah, and sir, when I was trying to import the table from the directory.
Now you are able to load the table.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what was the problem?
It was it was problem with my data.
Yeah, that's
When I
what I told you, right? So there is maybe some kind of problem in your data set. Yeah.
okay,
Import.
but sir, one more thing. Sir, when I try to import table from with writing query, it shows me some error like this.
Yeah, it's in the line only, it's showing the error. The command is not correct.
Why, sir? What is that?
So here what you have written, after that one import, another import you have written here.
Yes, sir.
In the second line of import, what is
Yes,
this?
sir. Yes, sir. I was trying several times. Whenever I try query, it shows me error like this.
Okay.
My SQL server is running with the secure file private.
So my import table, this.
Yeah, try to rename your file name MySQL underscore server underscore 8.0. There is a problem with the space.
It was not it was a directory
No,
where
no.
the
Yeah.
file.
First of all, yeah, just rename your file name MySQL server 8.0 file name. Just rename this with the underscore in your local system first of all, and then copy the path and paste it.
It, this was a directory where it was placed.
Just try to copy this file, CP file.
File?
Yeah, file. And try to paste it somewhere else. Yeah, in the downloads also you can paste. You have opened this file in your Excel sheet. Try
Yes.
to close. You are doing the Control X or Control C.
Yes. So
Yeah.
I should copy, sir. I should copy the part of the
Yeah.
file.
Yeah. Copy this path. Provide the file name here.
What's that?
File name.
Yes.
Yes. You have given the documents. This is the folder you have provided. What about
Yes,
the
sir.
file name?
There, sir, here at the place of SBI.
So from where you are taking this complete command?
From sir, from sir Google.
Google, just show me. Meanwhile, other can ask their query. Deepak, Savan,
Yeah,
Lena.
I am audible.
Yes, Savan.
So actually, I want to discuss about MongoDB regarding the sharding. Actually, in the free service, can we configure sharding operation?
Which operation?
Sir, sharding for MongoDB.
In the free, you want to like
Yeah,
threading, right?
yeah. So sorry, shredding. Yes.
Okay. Sardines. Fine. Sard.
So can we create a two free account and
I think you
we
can.
make a distributed environment?
Okay, it's not asking you for the credit card or something, right? In MongoDB,
Yeah.
it's not asking, right? Fine. So you can try to use it. If it's going to like exceed their limit, definitely they are going to stop that particular function for you.
Yeah, but I am very new in MongoDB, but how this stuff can be configured, that I don't know.
No. In the free service, it does not allow. Okay, so
Okay.
in the yeah, so you can you will have to use a paid one for that. In the free one, basically we have a limited access. So only 512, I think, memory it provides. Okay, and it does not provide this shading option. Okay, you
So the
cannot.
sharding operation is not there in normal like free tier operation, right?
Yeah. So in the Atlas, basically, so he is using Atlas. So in that, basically, it does not allow. Okay, like this threading operation.
So, sir, we can't practice this kind of stuff in
Uh,
In the local, it is available, Sunny.
no, I think it is in the local also, basically.
Just check in your system if it's configured.
Compass, I think. Shading in local.
Sir, one more question about Cassandra. Suppose we have two node and key space is deployed on that particular two nodes, and suppose 1,000 users request are incoming, then cluster will distribute half request, or on what basis this request can be distributed?
So those things you are going to learn in your big data classes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is concept is related to a big data, right? This sharding concept, basically. Okay, so in the Hadoop or Spark, basically, we use this
Yeah,
concept.
actually, I do Google search, but I I can't get too much clarity. So, if I get some initiative, then I can start the practicing
So
by.
it is not necessary for like a small like a data. Okay, so it is we use this thing in a like enterprise level. Okay, with the big data. Okay, so
Yeah, the
like we have
data,
a
if the data is
Hmm.
continuous, then only you are going to use this kind of service.
Yeah, I got it, but I just want to practice those stuff. So I
So
asked.
how we are going to get those kind of data?
So
Hello.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir. So right now I'm not able to find where I copied this query.
Okay.
Anubhav, what are you trying to do
Yes,
here?
sir. I was trying to import simply I was trying to import the table which I had to use for joining operation.
Have you
So
checked your class recording, full class
yes, sir.
recording?
Yes,
Because
sir.
I'm seeing previous 5 minutes you are searching something on the Google.
Yes, sir.
May I know the reason why you are searching something in the Google?
Sir, I was searching for that query from where I copied this.
No,
So
of course this, but first of all you have to check your class recording, right?
yes,
And this is wrong. This why you have written that star.sti.
sir.
Why you
Sir,
have written this?
I was trying many things. From here,
Just
I was
simply
not
don't
able.
try to copy from somewhere, because see, there will be some kind of different file that's like at that point he's trying to upload, like import in this MySQL. But here your file is different.
Yes, sir. Sir, I was
Okay.
doing from the starting in this Word document. I was stuck at there, so I was trying from many sources to import table, but there is something wrong in my table only. That is why then it was not importing.
Check your index first of all, okay? This is not a correct index here. And before searching on Google anything, first of all check your whole class record.
Okay.
Okay, because in the previous 5 minutes I was saying you are searching something on the Google again and again.
Okay.
Okay, so first of all check your index and check your class recording.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, and connect tomorrow on Skype. We will help you. But make sure
Okay.
first of all try to from your end and check your whole
Okay.
class recording.
Okay. Thank you.
Hi, can I ask my question?
Yes, we can ask.
I have some doubt in MongoDB. Actually, I can share my screen.
So who is sharing now?
I think Deepak is sharing. Deepak Rathore, right? Yeah, hi Deepak.
Deepak, are you there? Deepak. Okay, Shani, do one thing, just remove from the panelist and next person go ahead.
Yes, Lina. So you can go ahead. Okay?
Yeah. So I'm getting error in this line. Actually, this line is not defined, but I have already installed it. Hello?
Yes.
Hello.
Please.
There's a lot of noise from your side. I think. No, the noise is still there. Have you used the connect command?
No. I think it is not importing the PyMongo. First of all, like try to import the PyMongo.
Yeah,
Okay.
then PyMongo is not defined. Have you followed that step? What we have sent to you?
Whatever Sudhanshu sir told, I have
Not
done.
just told, like just follow that step. Whatever we have sent you in the document, just try to follow that particular step, because here we can see you have not defined that PyMongo, which means you have not followed only.
Actually, I'm completely new in this, so I'm not getting.
Okay, just try to, first of all, instead of just doing from yourself, first of all, try to execute what we have given to you. After that, when you have executed the several things, then you can try and modify from yourself.
Here, just try to import a PyMongolina and Mongo client. Check your chat. Check your Skype chat. And just copy the code and paste in the new shell. No, just check your chat and copy the code, import PyMongo, or you can just simply write import PyMongo in the next shell. Take a new shell here. Take a new shell here. New shell. Click on plus button, file, below file, in a Jupyter notebook. Here you have an option file, edit, view, insert. Here plus option is available. You can just click on plus option. Yeah. Just import PyMongo. Import. First of all, write import PyMongo. Yeah, just run this in. Run the cell number 6. Now it's working fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. Next question, please.
Thank you.
Yeah, you can stop sharing.
Yeah.
First of all, try to check the class material. I think every step has given in that thing, in that particular file. Okay, so who is left now? Suraj.
Hello, sir. Yes.
Yes, Suraj.
Sir, I have like a problem in Cassandra.
Okay, so what kind of problem you're facing?
Like while doing setup, the local setup is running successfully, and cloud is not connecting to Jupyter. Like from command prompt, it is running like showing version and all print version but it is not connecting from like that Jupyter notebook. It's showing no module named Cassandra form.
Cassandra, so have you installed in the system?
Yes. Actually, I want to run the cloud one. So I have installed. I have to follow the steps in live class. It is. I am telling that it is running from command prompt, like from going from Python.
Can you share your screen? So
Okay,
better.
Yes.
Have you installed in a base environment or a virtual environment?
Virtual, using Python 2.
Okay, Python 2 have you installed in a virtual environment Jupyter notebook?
Yes.
Okay. Share screen.
It's visible.
So data stack. So in this data stack, there is no requirement of Python 2. So in Python 3 also you can use it.
Okay. So it was not running on Python 3. That's why I have tried using Python 3.
We've installed Cassandra driver. Fine. It's fine. Wait. Go down.
Yes.
Yeah, no module name Cassandra. It's not able to load only.
Okay, do anything. Just install here Jupyter notebook.
Just uninstall.
No, install here Jupyter notebook. Take a new cell. Just take in a new cell. You can just write a Jupyter notebook.
New cell. Yes.
Anyone who is left with their query? Anyone?
Yeah. Before Jupyter.
Okay.
Use a symbol. Yeah.
Exclamation.
Yes, sir. I am.
Yes. Correct.
Yes.
Okay.
Prashant.
No. Just go to your previous Jupyter notebook. In the previous Jupyter notebook.
Previous Jupyter notebook.
Yes.
Hello, Sunny sir, are you there?
Yeah.
Sunny sir, that day, can I speak in the middle? Can I go on?
Go ahead.
That day you have explained me how to remove the codes and insert into the MySQL data. That same
Install again.
one,
Okay, I will
but
install.
I am able to do it, but I'm not able to remove the
Jupyter Notebook,
inverted
Jupyter Notebook.
codes.
Just wait, Prashant. Just wait for some time, okay? We will take care of it. Okay, don't worry. Just wait.
Yeah.
Why is taking so?
Hello, sir.
Wait. Just open that notebook file.
Previously, which I have previously opened. Na?
Yeah, that notebook file. Yeah, fine. So just try to use only single command from Cassandra.cluster import cluster.
Okay, from Cassandra.cluster input cluster. This command.
Yeah,
Na?
in single cell. Just try it.
Run.
Module name Cassandra. Okay. So fine. Just try to open your Anaconda prompt.
Anaconda prompt. Okay.
Yeah. Anaconda prompt. Open it as an administrator.
Okay. Yes, sir.
To activate your environment here.
It's not required actually. Just try to type it here. The same command pip install Anaconda installer. The same command copy from notebook.
Which
Yeah,
this?
go above. Yeah. Not complete from pip only.
Hello, sir.
Just write it pip install
Okay.
Anaconda.
Correct?
Yeah.
Not available in the base environment.
Now just write it Jupyter notebook. Okay, try to create new file.
Yeah.
Close your previous just first of all, okay, just go in your okay, now you have got it right. Now
Okay, it was
try to
loading.
create, okay, fine, just try to create one new file notebook.
Sir, I think it's stuck.
And right, okay, so there are multiple things open now, so you need to close it.
Okay.
Go inside a new.
Wait a second. I will.
Try to close everything and open again. Yeah, just close everything
Control
and open
C,
again.
Control C.
Controls.
So just try to use that particular so wherever you have that zip file, right? Just try
Zip
to
file.
locate there. Yeah, just
Yes.
try to locate there only.
Sir, zip file is in Edge drive.
Okay, just try
So
to put in the download folder only.
Sir, connect zip file.
Okay, fine. Just try to do
This one.
this. Yeah, that copy. Yeah, it's there, right? Here only in the download.
It's in download. Yes.
Let it be. Let it be. Just try to copy this particular file. Uh,
Yes.
this file path. This
Okay.
folder download.
Okay. File path.
Yeah. Copy. Now go in your terminal. Anaconda terminal.
Yes.
Control C.
Control C.
CD and that path name.
CD.
Space path name. Enter. Okay. That it should be like C hyphen something, right?
Okay.
Not CD. CD.
CD.
CD.
Hyphen.
CD. Just write small CD.
CD. Yes.
Space.
Space.
C.
What?
Column. C column.
C.
Column.
Column.
Yeah, column. Column. Just try to locate to the download folder.
Colon. Okay. Wait a second, sir.
It's in C only, right?
Yes.
DOWN.
Okay. Where is it?
D capital.
D capital. No, sir. It's not in C. It's in C, but somewhere else.
Okay, copy this file in your desktop. Copy
Okay.
and paste in the desktop. Yeah, then just write in the in contact from CD space and then desktop.
CD.
CD space desktop.
The same thing. Yeah. D capital.
Okay.
What is your system configuration?
System configuration.
Yeah.
So it will inside this CD drive.
So wait a second. Can I import this? Copy this in H drive and open Jupyter Notebook from H drive?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Let me.
This mission not working then.
H and H paste here. H. It's in H. I'm in H. Yes.
Yeah, open notebook here.
Jupyter.
Yes.
Find.
Okay. Try to create new file. Yeah.
Okay.
Now import that Cassandra.
Import Cassandra. Correct?
Yeah, just see that command, right? Yeah, it's happening.
Okay. Now it's running now. Let me just try.
Okay. Yeah, just try with this one. Second command, just try to check the version.
Okay, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's working fine.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, next
fine.
one.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
This is Murli here, Sunny.
Yeah, Sunny is here. Yes.
Sunny. It's just an extension of the question I have asked previously. Like whenever we are trying to create a key space using the what do you call the Jupyter Notebook using Python on a Cassandra cloud, it doesn't allow. I even
so
checked
is it showing like unauthorized error, something like this?
I don't remember what exactly. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, but when I checked the permissions also, it was it's for if you
So
see.
it is basically something like basically authentication error. Like, okay, so don't stick with that command. Okay, so just like try to execute some more command over there and try to like check with like describe or database name. Okay, so is it showing or not basically? Okay,
No,
so
the other table wise it is working. I am able to insert and other things, the other commands I am able to do it. But only thing is it is not allowing me to create the key space.
means you cannot directly create a key space, right? So just
Yes.
share your screen. Okay, so like just show me that.
1 second, just give me a second. Yeah. Yeah, can you show, allow me the, I will just share.
Yeah, I think you are already in a
Yeah, you are
panel.
all, yeah. Just hold on. Give me a second. Where am I? It's here, yeah. Yeah, if you see this, yeah, you are able to see my screen.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
this is the thing I was saying basically. So this is the unauthorized error. So something is like missing in a like authentication part. Okay. So sometime it show this error. So like you can check with the lecture itself. Okay. So in the lecture basically with Sudhanshu sir code, it is also showing this error like unauthorized error. So
Yes.
just try to executing like some other commands. Okay. So some like so creating some table, inserting the data. Okay, and updating something basically and try to check basically. Okay,
No,
inside
update is working. Update is working. Insert is
Only
working.
creating of key space is giving you a problem, right?
Yeah. If you see, I have executed all these things like the batch statement. Okay, I have created dropped the index, created the index. Okay, all these are working. The only thing is I am able to update the table also. Okay, but the only I am able to alter the table also. See, all those commands are working, but the only thing is I am not able to create the key space. But I haven't tried. Like for example, let's say even create table. Even create table had already worked. Yeah, even create table works. The only thing is key space is the only thing that fails. And I've checked the documentation on the data stacks. Okay. Uh, it says admin. You see, normally we are all told by Sudhanshu that we select the admin permission, right? The admin permission has the permission to create what do you call MySpace. Sorry, create the key space.
So in the select role basically token management section in the select role. Okay, so try to set some like a different role basically database administration. Okay, so via that basically try to generate a token or something basically. Okay, and check basically. Okay, it is giving you a permission or not.
Okay.
So basically many person are getting this error. Like I'm getting a many query over the Skype also like unauthorized error, this error. Okay, so
Yeah.
so try to check once basically in the select role section. Okay.
Okay. Let me do that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Sir.
Okay. So okay. I think.
Yeah. So guys, whoever the doubt, so just like ask your doubt. Okay.
So can I?
Yeah, Naveen.
So, Sunny, can we those? Can I log out? I'm just I'm done with.
Yes. Whoever
Yeah.
is done with their query, they can just leave this meeting.
Yeah. Thank you, Lord.
Yeah, Naveen, go ahead, please.
My doubt is not related to Cassandra or database. I have a doubt related to machine learning. Can I ask you?
Yeah. Okay. Naveen, okay. Go ahead.
Yeah. We do train test split on our data, and we fit our model, we just predict our model. But my doubt is like we use cross validation like k-fold or stratified k-fold in our train test split data also. But under the same time, we use the cross validation techniques even in a big search CV also. So what is the kind of difference that you are going to get from this? Let's like I don't know
So
if I'm going to if I'm going to operate CV is equal to 5 or CV is equal to stratified k4, which
It's
is
the
in
same
5
thing.
minutes, then
K-fold, whatever the K value you are giving there, right? So it's the same thing for the CV cross validation.
Yeah, okay. if it's like I will be getting 5 different scores. If, for example, if third one is performing better than other 4 things, then should I consider the third one is a kind of split which gives a better accuracy for me for me better
No,
split for the
no,
data?
it's not like that. See, this course validation is used to adjust your parameters. Fine.
Okay.
So see, here in the course validation, we are going to try with various kind of sample because it's going to divide your data in several fold. Yeah, like suppose you are going to
Yeah.
consider k fold, it's going to divide in several samples file, right? And it's
Yeah.
going to check like what kind of result you are getting.
Yeah. It will be telling like with different kind of samples, you'll be getting different kind of scores, right?
Yes, yes.
So yeah, that's where my doubt arises. If a different sample like sample 3 is being
See, suppose
performing better
now
than other
now
samples.
in some data you have trained are you getting the good result, but in the real time you are getting the some different kind of data. But
Okay.
on those kind of data you have not trained, because of that like you was getting some kind of less good result as compared to in some other data, so you have not applied that particular model. So at that time what you are going to do? So it's not like you are going to leave something. You need to consider the all of the data.
Okay. So it's like we just have to take an average of it.
Yes, average you can consider.
Okay. So it's like after applying our CV, we just have to consider about our average.
Yes, yes, the average value of. Okay, what is the
Okay.
minimum value you are getting, the accuracy, what is the maximum value you are getting, right? And the average.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
that you
I
can
just
consider.
have another thing is like I have come across something like cross-val score and cross-val predict, and we use something like time test split and grid search CV. I have experimented things like even cross-val score. We do fit and predict. I mean, like for cross-val, we use score for fitting and predict for predicting the data. So, what is the difference between these two things?
So basically both are same. Okay, so in the cross build basically, so like different function I can say. Okay, so
Okay.
cross like you are implementing same thing like via another way I can say. Okay, so you like same thing you are applying with k-fold cross validation, like with same thing basically you are applying with cross val. Okay, so same thing you are applying via two ways I can say. Okay, so
Okay.
two different function, just nothing, just like we are basically passing a parameter in a different function and we are getting a same thing. Okay,
Okay. So it's like you can even build a model in cross-val also.
yeah, same thing you are applying cross validation with k fold also. Okay, and with cross validation also, this is just a method in a scikit-learn. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. Yeah, that's my doubt. Thank you so much.
Okay. So anyone who is having doubt, or else we
Yeah.
can conclude our meeting.
Yes, sir. Actually, hello.
Yeah,
So
one by
my
one.
my queries is still pending. So I mean,
Manu, your doubt is like it's very simple. I think you need to just connect with us at
Yeah,
one
so
time.
Manu, you can do one thing. Okay, so in the morning I will be available over the Skype. Okay, so just come over the Skype, I will resolve your query. Okay,
Yeah, it's
with
very simple doubt you have.
okay.
okay,
Hello,
okay.
Yeah,
hello guys.
Oh,
Omkar this side.
yeah, Omkar, go ahead.
Omkar, yeah.
Uh, have you solved or have you got any answers for that?
Omkar, what you have asked?
I have asked for a SQL query which I was able to successfully run in MySQL workbench, but not able to successfully done in Jupyter
Yeah,
Notebook.
so that programming error you were getting, right? So,
Yes,
okay. So I have told you just paste the error in the chat. You
I pasted it.
okay.
I
Let
think so.
me check.
It's been, I think, too long only. So you can just connect in the Skype tomorrow. I think
Actually,
it
I
will be
dropped
better.
this. Yes. I will also, in meantime, I will also just drop in your this thing. But I'm not aware. Even Skype also in the morning, I try to do them. They are not able to resolve them. That was
Mm,
the
this is
that was
just a
the con-
syntax error, I think.
Yeah, syntax thing.
Yes, it is syntax error, but it is giving me the same issue is giving me in Jupyter, but I am able to resolve or I am able to run that code in MySQL workbench.
So we need to run it explicitly and we need to check like are we getting the same kind of error what you are getting? So we need to check it, right? So for
So
this, yeah, the separate meeting we can have.
okay, because this is near documentations only. So from documentation, I could come to know that it is, I was facing the issue entire day. So in the afternoon, I have went to MySQL workbench documentations, and from there I can fetch, and it is running in MySQL workbench, but it was not running in Jupyter notebook. That's the challenge. Tomorrow morning, who is will be there on the query? Oh, sorry, support
I
on
think
support.
Sunny will be there. Sunny, who is
Yeah,
there?
yeah, yeah, I will be there. Okay, so
At around what time?
yeah, so after like 12 after in the afternoon, basically 12 to 2 between, you can connect with me. Okay.
Okay. Thanks,
Yeah.
man.
Okay.
Okay, bye bye.
Okay.
Good night. Have a good night. Bye bye.
Yeah. Okay. Good night. Let's go check the
Hello,
manual.
Prashant here.
Yes, Prashant.
Yeah, can I share my screen?
Yes, you can share.
Um, does my screen visible?
Yeah, please show that your what your doubt you are having.
Just, actually, Sunny sir that day has explained me how to resolve this problem. But when I'm trying to resolve this,
Yes. Yes. Go ahead.
yeah. So in the first row,
Hmm.
I can exclude uh, the inverted commas. Okay,
Hmm.
by printing row of zero here.
Mm-hmm.
But when I try to send the row of zero here, and
Okay.
for
Okay. So
where in
you
row
want to
zero,
just segregate the data, like you have in the raw CSV, right?
yeah.
Okay. So I have that code. Just wait. Let me check.
Yeah, you have sent me the code also that day, but when I'm trying to execute myself, I'm facing the problem.
I think Sunny sir has taken your problem. I think Sunny Bhavin Chandra sir. Okay. So
Yes,
yeah,
Sunny Bhai.
I did not take this code. Okay.
Yeah, you need to segregate this particular thing. The
So
similar kind of problem that one lady was getting, right? That name
yeah.
was
See, the
Janvi, I
problem
think.
here is what happening is, uh,
That I think some person has sent that code also.
see, if you resolve one thing for me, it will be okay.
Yeah,
See,
yeah. So just
first
wait.
element
Okay.
and last elements are coming in inverted comma. That means the whole elements in this it is considered as from a single cell. But
Correct, yeah.
yeah, but from Excel, this is the sheet. It is in different individual cells. Correct? So, but here it is not considering as individual cells. So it is treating as a single element in a single cell. That's why this
Sunny, you
inverted
have
comma.
that code for this?
Yeah, I have like a different logic. So yeah, so just check with that. Okay.
That day, Sunny sir has explained me, and I have uh, taken the screenshot of it. See if you can see this code.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
The output has also come, but the same code when I'm trying to execute it, it is throwing me an error. See, there is no changes with the Sunny sir's code and my code. This is the Sunny sir's code.
Show me your code once.
Just I have break down into different lines. Sunny sir has written in single line. That's the main difference.
What is your issue? I think I didn't got.
Yeah, it's now breakdown in bifurcation. It's already done, right?
Yeah, so just execute the remaining line. So you
Hey,
will.
wait, man, wait. So
No, no,
see
no.
here, wait. One thing you need to do it here. See, this hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Now just try to use template list and zero in close bracket.
Template list. Okay.
Zero. Like in the close bracket, you can write zero. Now try to run it.
Okay.
Fine.
Yeah,
Now
but
use that insert query.
now this has to be enclosed in brackets. That means this line will resolve this issue.
Yes, yes,
Correct?
yes.
Yes.
Yeah. That
Yes.
means then no need to use this value dot join operation, right?
I don't think so.
Yeah,
Because
so
it is
basically this thing also you can use like join, okay, and via this like template indexing like this zero, you can also like create same thing basically, okay.
Just try to,
because,
Yeah.
because
fair.
join operation will only separate the each element
Join
into
is not for the separation, it's for the adding purpose.
okay. So it will make sense by deleting this also, correct?
Some indentation problem is there. So what is the values? So you need to take it as a template list is zero.
Yes, yes.
What you're doing? Just try to remove that space. You are having indentation problem also. Yeah, template list, close bracket zero. It's done or not? Just check.
Yeah, but it should come in a close brackets, right? Because these all are values now.
What? Just check. It's already inserted, right?
Not inserted. See,
Just go down. Just try to comment this print statement. Try to
which
comment
one?
that print
No.
statement. Comment. Yeah, comment that print statement. Now run. It's done, right?
Yeah, it's done. But see, according to the SQL query, after values, the element should be enclosed in a bracket. No. So that bracket is not coming.
So just try to check what kind of values you have inserted.
That is the main query, no, for me.
In the close bracket, you are telling, right?
Yeah, that problem is resolved. Okay. So now this has to be enclosed in the bracket, right? The values which are coming here, this has to be
Yeah, you
enclosed in
can.
the
Yeah, you can add. Just try to wait, man. Just try to comment this print statement. And here in the template list, you can provide that open this bracket and open bracket and close bracket. Not here, not there. Here in the last line, query line. So wherever you have written this template list zero, right? Enclosed
okay.
inside a close bracket, square bracket.
Okay. Here.
Not here. Before template list and after zero.
Before template list.
Here only see query equal to f insert into carbon tubes values is there, right? After
Correct.
that, there is two bracket. Provide one more bracket. That will be the square bracket.
Okay.
Not here. After that, curly bracket. square bracket, I am telling you. Simple. Indentation problem.
I'm new to coding. First time.
Okay, fine. It's done.
No, but see, the square brackets are coming here. No, I know
So,
that square bracket will come.
so what you
This
are
is not a
asking?
proper.
No,
This is not a proper
actually,
SQL query. No.
actually,
What?
Prashant, I think, who is this? Prashant, I think you are confused with the syntax, right? So basically, you are talking about like here, like why like parenthesis is not coming, right? Along with data.
Yeah.
So basically, you are confused with the like syntax. Okay. So in the insert statement, we have to directly pass the value. Okay. So just try to write the like a manual statement. Okay. Like this insert statement. Okay. So you will find basically we are directly passing the value. Same thing we are doing with the this template list square bracket 0. Okay. So it is directly passing the value inside the insert statement. I think you are not able to like clear this part. So that's why you.
Just yeah. First of all, you can go with your previous recording. What Sudhanshu sir has taken that class. I think there is you need to revise this topic a lot because if you are confused in this parenthesis and this small list and all, so it will be very difficult for you. You need
Yeah,
to
so
revise it.
just try to clear with basic syntax basically how it is taking a data. Okay. And like if like code is working fine, so I think it is fine, like it is like correct code, right? So you need to understand how it is taking a data, what is the correct syntax. Okay, so just stick with that part. If you want to like basically experiment, just try to check with like apply the print statement and try to check, okay, what it is giving or not.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I understood what you're trying to explain me. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, Prashant. So just like
Yeah,
try to
I will
check.
try. I will try again with myself.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you need to do it some kind of experiment, like what kind of value you are going to get. Try to use some more print statement.
Okay, that's why I have used a lot of prints in this statement.
Yeah, that's how you are going to learn, right? Because you are new to this programming field, so it can happen. Not a problem. You need to revise it more.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, thank you.
Monu, are you
Okay,
there in the meeting? Monu?
no.
No.
no,
Okay,
Manu.
Shani, actually there
Yes.
is some problem with the syntax.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me share this code in a chat. That you can.
Okay, so I think Shivan, you can share with me. Okay, so he will come over the Skype tomorrow, so I will share with him.
Yeah, just check here.
Okay,
And also I will send you on WhatsApp.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes, yes.
fine. So fine, guys. So I think so everyone doubt is clear now. So now we can conclude our today's meeting. Fine.
Yeah, yeah. So yes.
Okay. Okay then. Bye, guys. See you.
Bye guys.
Yeah, bye. Thank you.